equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a soft cloth for cleaning. Start by turning off your Conga 1090 and unplugging it from the power source. This is crucial for your safety. Next, locate the battery compartment, which is usually found at the back of the device. Use the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws securing the battery cover. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the battery cover off. Take a moment to clean the inside of the compartment with a soft cloth. This helps to remove any dust or debris that may have accumulated, ensuring a good connection for the new battery. Now, carefully disconnect the old battery. You may need to use the flathead screwdriver to gently pry it out if it's stuck. Remember to note how the battery is connected, as you will need to replicate this with the new battery. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you can have a professional handle it for you. Once the old battery is removed, take your new battery and connect it in the same manner as the old one. Ensure the connections are secure, as a loose connection can lead to performance issues. After connecting the new battery, replace the battery cover and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Make sure the cover is fitted snugly to prevent any dust from entering the compartment. Now, it's time to test your Conga 1090. Plug it back in and turn it on. If everything is working correctly, you should see the device powering up without any issues. If you encounter any problems, remember we provide a professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can get expert advice without any pressure. Finally, if you prefer not to deal with this yourself, we also offer a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs upfront. This way, you can make an informed decision without any surprises. And that's it. You've successfully changed the battery in your Conga 1090. Regular maintenance like this can extend the life of your device and keep it running smoothly. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.